Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. In this video, we're going to take a look at the song How Deep the Father's Love for Us by Stuart Townend, and I kind of borrowed from the Phil Wickham acoustic arrangement that he put out on YouTube a little while ago. So we're going to be looking at that. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this video. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this advanced guitar tutorial. So if you want to learn some of those advanced guitar chords, I'll show you everything you need to know in this tutorial, but there's also a link to a free PDF down in the description below called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial, and I'm doing things a little bit differently this time. I'm going to show you the cover that I released yesterday, and it's going to have the chords right here. So that'll be enough, hopefully, for you to follow along. If you don't prefer this format and you wish that I would go back to the old format, I'm okay with that too. Just let me know in the comments below. I want to do whatever will serve you best. Other than that, here's the tutorial. How deep the Father's love for us, how vast beyond all measure, that He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. How great the pain of searing loss, the Father turns His face away, as wounds which mar the chosen one bring many sons to glory. Behold the man upon the cross, my sin upon His shoulders. Ashamed, I hear my mocking voice cry out among the scoffers. It was my sin that held Him there until it was accomplished. His dying breath has brought me life, and I know that it is finished. I will not boast in anything, no gifts, no power, no wisdom, but I will boast in Jesus Christ, His death and resurrection. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Yes, this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song, How Deep the Father's Love for Us, with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you like some of those chords that maybe you didn't recognize that you learned through this tutorial, I've got you covered. There's a link to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords down in the description below that will teach you even more of those advanced guitar chords. So check that out down below. Also, let me know in the comments below if you liked this new format of tutorial or if you wish that I would go back to the old way that I did it. I'm fine either way. I'm just trying something new. So let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.